Imagine walking into your next deal, your next investment, or your next big opportunity, knowing that the funding approvals to make it happen are quick, predictable, and stress-free. That's what GetFundable.com delivers. Our proven, step-by-step system takes the guesswork out of personal and business credit, financing, and funding. Think of us as your funding GPS, guiding you toward the approvals that open doors and fuel your goals. From transforming your credit profile to align with lender expectations, to optimizing your business identity, so banks recognize your credibility and building the right banking relationships. Every step positions you as a top priority borrower. You'll know exactly when and how to apply to unlock high-limit credit lines, low-interest loans, and funding for your next big move. With this approach, you gain financial confidence, strategic borrowing power, and real freedom to grow your business, invest, and achieve the life you've been aiming for, without rejections or uncertainty slowing you down. Visit GetFundable.com today and claim the approvals you need to turn your goals into reality.